Hi, I'm Chef Jim with Coastal Alabama College, and today I will show you how to make a peanut butter chocolate puzzle cake. We're going to simple syrup our layers. Put a layer of peanut butter, very thin. Don't get too thick on your layers. We're going to go with a vanilla cake. Get it so it lines right up. Some chocolate buttercream. Okay, chocolate layer. Going back to some peanut butter buttercream. Try to keep your, as you're going up, keep your levels nice and level as you're going up. And then we're going to finish off with our vanilla layer. All that's sticking out, and that's going to be kind of like a scum coat. All right, with that, I want to put this in the refrigerator. In the freezer, glass chiller. So now we have our chocolate layer, and we're going to add a little chocolate here. Now we have our frozen cake. So what we're going to do is come in on the end, and I want to have just 2 inches in the middle, and come in on an angle like this. And cut all the way around. We're going to flip this over. And this is the challenge, trying to get this middle out. Look at, and I did good. See? Got a small hole in the middle, which I'm going to take and put it right on top of here. We're going to let that thaw. This here we're going to put back in the freezer. And we're going to hold the sides of the cake and slowly press the middle down. Supporting the outside. I'm not pushing too hard. I'm going to push. Now I'm going to take my chocolate icing, put it on the inside. Okay, you can tell how it's going to line up. Try to get it to line up. Now we got to flip that into here. How's that? I'm going to push that down. All right, now we're going to do our ice. This is the peanut butter buttercream on the outside. Good amount. Put the buttercream on the side. So now you're going to score it in 16s. Bring it across. In the back corner, just bring it around. Boom. And with that, we're going to pick it up. Cut the cardboard off. Make sure you cut your fingers off too. All right, now I'm going to put chocolate shavings all the way to the top, all the way around. So at a nice angle, when I get that 90, that's where the chocolate I want to stop. Okay, we'll slide that right over here.